investigated an air bubble in the wall, and now we are here. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Hermione and I'm currently renovating this old dilapidated Victorian house and turning it into something that looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. Today I'm going to be sharing with you another one of my home renovation DIYary videos, and to be honest, it's been a bit quiet recently. There's a reason I haven't posted one for a while, and that's because for a long while not much happened, but in the last week that started to change and I've got so much to catch you guys up on. Oh my goodness, there's light in the kitchen. Hi guys, just popping in for a quick update because loads is happening in the kitchen and the bathroom. Let me show you how it's starting to look now. The windows, just fallen over a bag of plaster. We're okay. Anywho, the windows are in and they're finally looking really good. I had some issues with my original builder. It was a hot mess. He completely messed up all of the windows. I will insert some footage so that you can see how nice these windows are now compared to how the original guy did them. So this window is too big and it doesn't fit where the window was taken out here. I'm not happy about it, to be perfectly honest. This window has been fitted completely incorrectly. It's only half finished. And what it is this is the catnick or the lintel, and it's too long on this side. It's got like 20 inches excess on one side and only 2 on the other, so it's completely unsafe. And this one's got cracked glass as well, so I'm not super happy about that. Yeah, they are looking so much better. This one's been fitted, so not tucked away in that corner. It's in the right position, in line with the lintel. This one is no longer broken and it's not fitted at the edge. It's now in the cavity where it should have been in the first place. And this one's the one that's going to be above the sink. This replaced the broken sash window, and it's going to be really practical for cooking because there's 2 fan lights there. So as much as I miss the sash window, I am pleased I've got this. The new guy who refitted the windows was so good that I actually decided to get the door done and the matching windows. This is what they're looking like right now. They look so different. I was going to have this blue monstrosity in the background as the door and the windows, but I decided that instead of sanding it and making do for the time being, I just get the door and windows done because this is taking so long and I don't want to have to go back and do it later. So I'm really pleased because they look amazing, and this one looks so much bigger. It's letting so much light in as well. And this section of the kitchen, which is going to be the breakfast nook, has been plasterboarded by the guys who did the damp proofing. They had to go full height all the way around here. This corner is not looking so cute. But here in the kitchen, the ceiling was done today. It's still wet. And the walls, I believe, are going to be done tomorrow. Nothing has changed here. It is just a horrible, horrible mess. Same goes for in there. We won't talk about in there. Upstairs though, this is a better view of what the plastering looks like up here since it's sunny outside for once. And this goes all the way down to there, and then the bottom's going to be done at some point. And the bedroom's been completely done. I still need to do something about the outside of the door. It's looking pretty bad. The bedroom's done. You've probably seen this in a recent bedroom makeover video. This is what it's looking like, excuse the mess. I have made a few small tweaks in here, like I've got this palm print art print. I've got some more prints over there. These are all from Desenio and I love them so much. They are very kindly sponsoring this video, so let me show you a little bit more about the prints that I picked. When my order arrived, it came really quickly and so well packaged. I was so impressed. I basically ripped open the box because I was so excited to put the prints in the frame, so here's a few clips of me doing that. The thing I love most about Desenio is when you pick the size of print you want, it pops up with the actual frame that you'll need and you can pick whichever colour to save you having to think about it and order them separately. So these are the prints that I picked out. I love them so much. let me talk you through really quickly which ones I have. So first up, I've actually got this one. This one's going to end up going downstairs somewhere, and I picked this out because I thought Ben would love it. Loads of these places we've actually been to before, and I thought the ones that we haven't been to could be ones that are on our bucket list. But yeah, I thought he'd really like this. This will end up going probably in the sitting room, so I'll show you guys where it goes once it's actually got a home. And then there's these two, and I plan to put these up in the guest bedroom next door, but that is nowhere near finished. I'm a little bit behind on time. But I'm thinking I might put them up in here for a little while. I don't know. I really love them. I love this modern line print, and I love how they match each other. So I might put them up in the bedroom. And then I've also got these 3 smaller ones, which I thought would be really easy to style on my shelves. So I picked out this one because, once again, I love that line art print. This looks so nice, and I picked the black frame so it kind of contrasted. This one I picked out with my office in mind because I've got a bit of a pink theme going on there, but I'm kind of thinking somewhere over here maybe, I don't know. And then this one, this is so beautiful. This is just line art flowers. There's a theme going on here. I've definitely got a bit of a theme, but I thought this was so pretty and delicate. This one will probably go in my office at some point, but for the time being, I really want to display them in here because they're so beautiful. Yeah, this is the bedroom at the moment. It's pretty much finished. I just need to finish that door, and I need to get these holes sorted at some point. And this is what I'm really excited about, the bathroom. So the floor tiles are down. Look at that. They're so nice. These are Laura Ashley Heritage tiles in Dove Grey. I've also got a bathtub and an overhead shower. So excited. I literally cannot tell you guys how excited I am about that. Toilet is going in. Vanity unit. The unit itself actually came broken, so it had to be replaced. I've gone for like this kind of, I don't know if you can tell, it looks like shaker style kitchen cabinets, but for a bathroom. And I've got a bath panel that's gonna match, and it's really nice. Here I'm testing some paint swatches. I need to find a color that matches this creamy color, and then I can paint in here, so hopefully I can do that soon. I don't think I've updated you on the tiny toilet. Oh my goodness, the glowing orb. This is the tiny toilet. This is going to become a boiler room, and for the time being the toilet's just going to be taken out, and the door's going to be closed, and no one's going to see that it looks like this at the top. I actually probably need to do something about that very soon, but that is the tiny toilet. It's let's close that. Ew. And my office is looking not great. I'm gonna do a massive overhaul of this room. I'm hoping this weekend, fingers crossed, so you'll see that very soon, because we've painted it and it's just kind of sitting here as like a storage space for kitchen stuff, and it doesn't need to be, because I really need to use the space for DIYing and fun stuff. So I'm gonna come in here and do something about this. But I hung some curtains just for some privacy. These were from TK Maxx. They were on sale for I think about £8 or something like that. This is what they look like from far away. And hello to all my neighbours who are going to see me film in here for the rest of eternity. So I'm gonna have to sort this out. I'm gonna move this on the weekend, and this, and this, and all of these things. Oh, I found these cute baskets in the charity shop. This small one was 99p and the big one was 1.99, and I thought they would be really cute in my office because they're pink, but at a later date I could paint them if I wanted. I don't know. Anyway, oh, what is wrong with me today? So yeah, office update. Nothing has happened in here except it's just become a place for storing things. Also around this time we had to move 4 tons of rubble from the garden from all the demolition work. So I hired a rubble skip, and this is what happened. This is what we're dealing with today. 4 tons of rubble that we're gonna move by hand. And by we, I mean Ben's gonna help me for an hour, and then he has to go to work, and then I have to do the rest. Stop! Oh. It's currently 4:10. And this if it will focus. There we go. This is what it looks like now. Definitely gone through a lot of it. We've been doing this for nearly 7 hours and I've had help all day. So I think we're halfway there. Let's look at the skip. Yep, it's looking pretty good. Halfway full. Much better. Still not done, but much better. I wanted to film more of this, but it was so labor intensive and time consuming that I really didn't get much footage, but to be honest, it would have been boring footage anyway. Although we did find this in the pile. What is that? Can you see it? I think it's a sculpture. I mean, I hope it's a sculpture.
It's a dinosaur.
We found out soon afterwards that one of the previous tenants in the house used to collect dragon statues, so it's all good. Since then, we've been working on the bathroom a lot recently, and that's been coming on in leaps and bounds. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. The sink is in place. That looks so cool. Look at all that cabinets. Oh my god, I am so excited. That's insane. This one's the before, this one's the after. Currently the bathroom isn't fully finished, but when it is, I will show you the big reveal in its own video because I've got loads of DIYs and styling that I want to do in there. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. As we speak, the new kitchen is going in, which is so exciting. I can't wait to show you guys that. That will be in the next one. And the bathroom is getting close to being done. So hopefully in a few weeks time I'll be able to catch you guys up again and show you some more progress. Anyway, that's all I have to say, but don't forget to A, subscribe, and B, click the notification bell so you know when all of my future videos come out. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!